Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the ibis here in Chiang Mai. This is the ibis Chiang Mai Nimman Journeyhub, and it's a brand new, it's not that old, like 1 year. It's very, very nice and has some really cool features that I can't wait to show you. Only one room category here, so no upgrades in this one, guys, but of course the team is going to, if you are a member, give you preferential in regards to, you know, the floor height, making sure you have a nice view, stuff like that. But essentially it's a standard room. The room I've got is essentially a king room. It actually is the Hollywood king, so my bed is really, really big. So anyways, I got hiccups. I'm gonna show you guys my room. Let's check it out right now. Welcome to the standard room here at the ibis Chiang Mai. Check out that absolutely huge bed and check out my really lovely view I've got of the mountains out here, which is really, really nice. So you've got actually a full mirror there, but I'm gonna, window, but I'm gonna put that down so we can see a bit more of the room. So you do have international power points either side of the bed. Check this out. USB as well, lighting controls there. Over on the left-hand side, you're going to have the same, another international plug as well as USB. And then you do have your air conditioning control here, 18 degrees, very, very nice. In regards to the bed, it is gonna be like a soft to medium, and pillow-wise, nice. Doesn't have the normal ibis pillow behind, but those pillows are really, really nice. The other cool part is you've got a really big TV. Check this out, a nice big TV, as well as same in like their sister property, the Novotel. You can also get in the Chromecast here to get your smart TV. There is a couple of power points here, international ones, and I do have my welcome amenity here. I got a card there from the general manager of the hotel, and I got, "Dear Mr. Redwell, welcome to your home in Chiang Mai. I wish you a pleasant stay. Please indulge in complimentary authentic delicacies." And that's from Nicole Gupta, who is the general manager, and I've got some nice little treats there. Very, very cool. You could use this as like a working desk. They've got a nice chair there with some good padding as well. A lot of the ibis chairs don't have that, so that's some extra special here for you at the ibis here. Another chair there. Very, very cool. I'm totally digging this room, guys. Really massive bed. Nice decor coming through. You've got this full cupboard here, hanging space. You've got your tea and coffee made facilities here. Some water, of course. There is the power points there as well. Mini bar fridge, of course. And then you've got a hairdryer, slippers, safety deposit box. Very nice. Full body mirror here as well. Very, very nice. And this is a slider. So this slides across and opens up into our bathroom. Check out the bathroom. This is cool. Full mirror, really big mirror, nice basin, lots of amenities. Wow, even got hand wash here, which is not common in ibis. Towels and everything there. International PowerPoint there, as well as for the Royal Throne. It does have the handheld bidet. It does have the single barrel, standard toilet there. And coming through, you do have your standard shower head there. No rain shower in this one, but something else you'll notice here, you've got the rock your body, hair body and face wash, but they've also added the put your hands up in your hair. You got your shampoo as well, which also is not common for an ibis. So two things there that I've noticed compared to other properties. They've got shampoo and they've also got hand wash. When you compare this to any other ibis property we've been to, they don't have those anymore. They've taken them out. They only give you the rock your body wash. So really, really nice room. I love the sliding door for the bathroom. It really saves on the space, gives you a more accessible room. And yeah, what a really cool property. Look at this. And they've just opened up an Indian restaurant called Deli Street. So we're gonna go check that out as well. They've got a pool, they've got a gym. Wow, so many cool things to come and enjoy here at the ibis here in Chiang Mai. Gonna go show you the twin room so you can see, because they've only got the one room category, so I'll at least show you the twin with the two beds as well. Let's go check that out now. And then we're gonna check out the rest of the hotel, the pool, the gym, and I'm gonna show you, of course, the Deli Street restaurant. You can check out the chicken wing challenge for that as well. And of course, make sure you stick around for the breakfast as well that's on offer here at the ibis here in Chiang Mai. Okay, now we're in the standard room again, but this time 2 beds. Let's have a look at the differences. There's not much. Let's have a look. So this time we got 2 beds instead of 1. The difference is that with obviously my room, the beds have been put together, being the Hollywood twin, and this one, they're separate. So power-wise, is all the same. Air conditioning control, power on the other side. You've still got over here your little working desk area with your power. I do have a different view over this side because the twin room is on the other side, so you can see the other side of the hotel. That there is a Novotel, just so you know. Very, very cool. And you got the TV, full body mirror, tea and coffee mate facilities. Everything here, as you can see, is going to be the same. And over here is your bathroom. So yeah, everything the same comparing to our king room. But yeah, this is just the other room type you can get. Essentially, you can get it in a king, which is my room, and this one being the twin. Let's go check out the pool and the gym. Okay guys, welcome to the gym here, the Ibis. Open from 5 a.m. until 8 p.m. every single night. You got the machines here, bike machine, you got some weights, even got the scales here, and more treadmill. And then in here, I'm guessing is gonna be, oh yeah, you got your lockers as well as showers and bathroom. So yeah, very nice. That's the gym, opening from 5 a.m. in the morning, nice and early, until 8 p.m. at night. Okay guys, we're here at the pool area. They've even got an outdoor shower. The pool is going to be open from 7 until 7 every single day. So you guys can see the lovely pool up here on the rooftop. Very nice. We've got views here of Chiang Mai, even the mountains. Very nice. So yeah, you got the pool here to enjoy as well. Going to be opening from 7 a.m. until 7 p.m. every single day. So cool. Okay guys, welcome here to the restaurant. This is called Deli Street. It's going to be open from midday, 12 o'clock, until 9:30 every single night. You can see here, it's essentially like an Indian kitchen. So in the morning, it's going to be the breakfast, that I'm going to show you guys very soon. But in the evening or in the afternoon, it turns into the Deli Street, which is Indian food. You can even get your Accor Plus discount here as well, which is very, very cool. So 2 people are going to get up to 50% off, and if you're for the drinks, going to be 15% off. They also having the grab and go here at the reception area, the lobby. So the lobby's just over here, not too far away, but here is the grab and go, also available 24/7, where you can get some drinks. You got some snacks here that is available as well, and that's available 24/7 here at the Ibis in Chiang Mai. Let's go check out the breakfast offering on now, and then make sure you tune in for the chicken wing challenge. You can see some of the amazing Indian food that they have on offer here as well. Okay guys, happy Friday. Welcome to the Ibis here, Chiang Mai Nimman Journeyhub, for the buffet of breakfast that's on open. It's going to be open from 6 a.m. in the morning until 10:30. Let's go and see what is on offer. So kicking off with, look at this lovely fruit. We've got the watermelon. We do have some cheeses here, very, very nice, and more fruit, seasonal fruit, which is great. Look at that, looks gorgeous. And then we got the whole fruits. We do have our cereal here that's on offer, and our different dried fruits and croutons. We do have a salad bar here, a very lovely salad bar, different salads there, and also condiments and dressings. Very, very nice. We do have over here the pancakes. We do have the croissant danishes, very, very nice. And we do have the different sauces here, chocolate, maple and honey. Oh, even icing, very, very cool. And then over here is going to be our egg station. We've got the hard-boiled and soft-boiled eggs, organic eggs as well. Look at that. Boiled vegetables. Oh, they look very, very nice. Northern red chili dip. That's going to be the spicy one. And they've even got that, wow, crispy pork. Very cool. So this is like the Chiang Mai Northern breakfast, which is really nice. And then they have the steamed rice here, of course. They've got the stir-fried onion flour with the egg, and also the Vietnamese pork sausage. Wow, the breakfast is really cool. Here's your drinks. Full fat milk. Okay, so that's your full cream milk, chilled pineapple juice, chilled guava juice, with the chilled orange juice, infused water, and also the iced water. Very cool. So we'll go see what's on offer for the hot dishes as well. See what is available. The fried egg. We've got the chicken ham as well as the chicken sausage, and also the sauteed potato. It's like my favorite one, but it's going to be probably a little spicy. The stir-fried pork with the chili, which looks absolutely incredible. We have the potato soup with the chicken, very nice, and also the boiled rice with fish. And then here is our different condiments on offer as well. Okay, we've got the whole wheat bread here as well as the white bread. Our different spreads here, pineapple, strawberry jam, very nice, as well as the rolls. Tea and coffee also available. You can order in here on the machine. And then you've got your yogurt. You've got strawberry and plain yogurt as well as butter. And we have some smoked chicken, smoked bologna, and also pork. Very cool. This is the grab and go, and another coffee machine there. So yeah, what a nice space for breakfast. You can enjoy while you're here at the Ibis. A really, really nice breakfast offering that's available. It's open every day from 6 until 10:30. And the other cool part about this is that after the breakfast, so at midday, this restaurant is going to turn into the Deli Street, which is like an Indian restaurant. So make sure you stick around and check out the other video, the chicken wing challenge. You can see the information about the Deli Street, see the chicken tikka that we have, as well as the dish, you know, the Indian dishes that they have, which is really, really nice. So yeah, really cool property, a really nice new Ibis, a lovely spot to come and enjoy for a very budget-friendly price in a really, really good location as well. So highly recommend coming and enjoying the Ibis here in Chiang Mai. A lovely place to enjoy. And yeah, we've got the outside area here as well. Just what I show you in the street. Yeah, really cool. Anyway, that's everything here at the Ibis. I hope you've enjoyed it. I really love the rooms. The shower is really good as well here. The bed, because they do the Hollywood with the king, it's kind of a really big bed as well. Lots of outlets, lots of power. Yeah, all around a really cool, funky space at a really, really cool price. So highly recommend, and a really good breakfast as well. Great breakfast offering. So come and try it here, Ibis, here in Chiang Mai Nimman Journeyhub. Highly recommend giving this one a go as well. Add this one to your list too. You've got so much to add to your list. I think every single property I've been to, you're gonna have enough to go to for the rest of your lives. Anyway, that's everything here at the Ibis here in Chiang Mai Nimman Journeyhub. Now it's time to go back to Bangkok. Reggie out.